For all my beginner traders out there, before we get into the video, just make sure you get the free pre-market checklist. It's in the link in the description. Go grab it. It'll simplify your trading astronomically. It gives you a clear path to take every single morning when you wake up and you look at the charts. I explain to you exactly how I identify key levels in the morning, what I'm looking for as far as price action, what's the trend for the day, where are the areas that I'm really focused on and watching the market to move towards or move away from. It's very simple and it's easy to understand. And I also have a video tutorial that shows you how I use that checklist. So make sure you download it. It's right below. Click it, get it. Now let's get on with the video. You guys are getting so caught up in the false reality that you need to make hundreds of thousands of dollars in a week or a month. It's like, brother, you understand how many people are just struggling out there to make $2,500 a month, $4,000, $5,000 a month? You can make that as a secondary income with trading. You do not need to get rich overnight. Quick video in regards to the psychology behind trading. One thing you guys have to remember is that there's absolutely no 100% win rate. Remember that. 2, you're never going to get everything that you want if you're chasing what you want so hard. I know that's like a contradiction, but if you're hyper focused on something, you have to approach it calmly, strategically. Can't force anything. You can't make things happen overnight. 3, keeping things simple. Have a strategy that you've back tested. All right, don't just go get a strategy from somebody, even from me, without back testing what they are teaching you. Back test it, watch it real time, go months back up to a year, build confidence, because that is how you're going to win day in and day out on the charts, real time. Don't believe in the facade that all the gurus are putting out online. They all swear to the heavens that you'll be rich in a week. It's not the case. She's not done with her workout. I am. 4, find joy in the process of what you're doing. That kind of backtracks to don't force anything. You can't force anything. Trust me, years of experience will tell you you can't force anything. 5, there is a major problem with new traders just risking their entire account or 20, 30, 40, 50% of their account on one trade because they are so either 1, overconfident, 2, just gambling, or 3, just reckless and just doesn't care, doesn't want to take it serious. So if you're that kind of person, it's okay, because everybody's been there. I've been there. Plenty of people I know have been there. What you want to do is be aware. Be aware of that problem. Okay? Once you're aware, you can figure it out on how to solve it. If you can identify the problem, you can fix the problem. A lot of people trade and they don't even realize what they're doing wrong. They just think, oh, I didn't win, so either I'm a bad trader or this is a scam. It's all rigged, You guys are getting so caught up in the false reality that you need to make hundreds of thousands of dollars in a week or a month. It's like, brother, you understand how many people are just struggling out there to make $2,500 a month, $4,000, $5,000 a month? You can make that as a secondary income with trading. You do not need to get rich overnight because it's just not realistic, man. You will learn the hard way. We just finished our workout, our little cardio session, got a little bit of sun, and I'm just back at the trading desk now. And I want to keep this video short, but also really cover the extreme parts of trading psychology you're going to deal with. You have so many different opportunities to become a successful trader, and it's not for everybody. It's okay if it's not for you. It's not for everybody. But learn from people with the experience that you are seeking, right? You're seeking to have this experience of making consistent money, being profitable, becoming a day trader, but you have to learn from people with experience. That can fast track your success exponentially. You have no idea. I never wanted to listen to anybody. I always thought that I had to do everything my way and just forget what everybody else said, and that prolonged my success. I'm not selling you a pipe dream. This is not for everybody. When you want to learn this and become a real trader, what you have to do is be willing to submit to enjoying the process, accepting the process, taking all the losses. And if you can listen to other people with experience, you're going to fast track everything, right? You might miss out on, and this is a good thing, you might miss out or skip past months of losses, months of learning something that someone else is is teaching you for free, right? If you're willing to accept it and listen, you don't have to go through the shit that maybe I did or a lot of other traders do because they don't want to listen. They're just hard headed, and it's difficult because trading is a game where you think it's you against you. It is you against you, but you don't have to do everything on your own. Okay, you can learn from other people with the experience. You can accept their advice, whether or not you agree with it. You can accept it, and you will now understand as the years go on, the months and the years go on. I know exactly what this person was telling me back then. It's like that aha moment. Damn, he was right. That guy was right. Shit, I should have listened to him. So that's a super super big thing that a lot of traders have to be willing to understand is be humble and just accept what other people are willing to teach you, especially if it's for free. There's so much free knowledge out there. For beginner traders, it's a little hectic trying to find somebody that is willing to be honest and tell you how it is. But other than that, this is a very short video. Stay blessed, trade safe. Remember, it is all about consistency and discipline. There is no reason to rush this process. You will not get there any faster. It'll actually take you longer if you rush the process. You've heard it before, I'm sure, from somebody else. And if you haven't heard it, you probably are hearing it now, but you will hear it again soon. And you'll hear it from only the people who actually have been through the pain and the ups and the downs and the struggles of trying to become a consistent trader. Because the real ones who are consistent are the ones that are numb to winning or losing. They don't give a crap whether or not they win or lose. They get up, they look at the chart. All right, is our trade there? If it's not there, I'm not taking it. If the trade is there and my setup is there, I'm taking it. If I win or lose, whatever. If I lose, I'll find maybe a second trade. If I lose that second trade or win that second trade, I'm done for the day. Very simple rules. Stay blessed, stay safe. Love you, brother. Love you, sister. And goodbye.